Welcome back again. This is Eugene. Today, I just want to talk about cash buyer's website, and I'm talking of real estate investors' website. This is not like any other website that you can think of. This particular website that you need to get the right traffic and convert your traffic, whether it's Google ads you're running or Facebook ads or ACO, there is a way you need to build your website. It's specifically done to target your audience in specific locations. All right. And you have to do it right. And not just specific locations, but in the right situations, the situations they are in and looking for help or looking to sell their houses. So this is very important. And you need to understand that your website is what pops up or people come to you through your website. It's what represents you. And you have to do it right. So it's not just having a website and having a house in front of it and saying we buy houses and then have some, trust signals and that's done. No, it's not just done that way. You extensively have to research on what is working in your market and what you need before you can even start building that website. All right. So first you have to know your audience and you need to understand the situations that you're targeting. So if you are looking for people who specifically are facing foreclosure or are in probate or they inherit a house that they want to sell, or basically they are tired landlords and want to sell those houses, or just have too many repairs and don't want to deal with that. All of those situations, you have to create specific pages for each of those situations. And it's not just writing that heading that, you buy houses in such and such situation, but you are making sure you have the right signal. So making sure you have all these reviews from Google Ads, linked to your website, and people can see that and say, okay, they're in this city, they want to sell, and they're facing X problem, and this page pops up with all what they need, and they're looking at it, and you have a form right on top of it that makes it even easier for them to fill their information, and you can reach out to them. This is very important, and you need to make sure you research on that, build a page that works. And you look at this website that I'm showing right here. This is how we build city pages, and make sure you have other questions also answered on this page. This helps, and it helps with AI today, helps you gain more visibility in AI, because when people ask these questions, you pop up because AI picks it up, index it, and show these results. And we have done this with a lot of people, a lot of our clients, and they are getting quality traffic, very happy. Our clients don't go anywhere because for the first time they have seen great result. And this is all around, whether it's Facebook ads, Google ads, and ACO. We specialize with this. I came in with more than 15 years of experience in digital marketing. And this is the only reason why I am crushing the market right now, supporting and helping a lot of people succeed. For the first time, they have seen tremendous result. I'm very, very happy. And if you want to also learn or dominate your market, we're here to help you. We want to help you. We want to help you dominate your market as far as you are not in our market. So make sure you build your website in a way it's going to convert and get that traffic. Apart from that, I talked about this in my other video. I talk about the CMS that you are going to use. So CMS is basically content management system. And I always recommend WordPress because WordPress is the best platform there for you to build your cash buyer website. The reason is because it gives you all the tools and flexibility to be able to install any right plugin. And I'm talking of the right SEO plugins, whether it's used, whether it's rank math you want to use. Make sure you have done your schema markup correctly. It helps you integrate with Search Console and Google Analytics and Tag Manager. So you don't even have a tracking issue. It's very easy to use WordPress to have all your tracking done correctly and you don't have any issue, and it helps you rank because again, it makes it very easy for Google to crawl and index your website because you submitted your sitemaps, the robot.txt files, done correctly right from the beginning, you can easily rank. And I mean it, within 3 weeks, you can start seeing leads come through your website. People keep saying ASEO takes 6 months. It doesn't take 6 months. It's not in all cases. I'm here to debunk that, and I can prove it any other day. It's no longer 6 months. Okay. When I build your website from scratch, and I mean a new domain, all right, everything new, it takes just about 3 weeks for the first leads to start rolling in. So you get all of that done. And when you do all of that correctly, you start ranking and you start getting quality traffic. And I would bet you, I will rank your website within 3 to 4 weeks, start getting you traffic more than your current agency. And I mean it. I am not bragging, or you can call it bragging, but I mean it, and I will do it. And I've done this over and over again, and I'm ready to do it for you in your own market. So truly, if you want to build the right website, and I'm talking of a cash buyer website, I'm talking of real estate investors website, you have the right guy here. Now in the industry, I am willing to do the dirty work and the hard work that majority of these agencies don't want to do, don't have the time, or want to put in the effort. So basically just lack the expertise to do. I will do it for you, and I'll make sure you dominate your market. All right. So again, this is Eugene, and I'm signing off. I'll see you in my next video. And again, subscribe so you won't miss any information I am sharing right here. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video.